Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use ChatGPT image generator. So here we are going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT image generator. To use the ChatGPT image generator, um, we will first open our ChatGPT, then chat right here on what we want to chat. So let's just say make us a animal. So there you go. As you see, ChatGPT is making us an animal, but it will not be that fast, be slow, because we are using only a free version of ChatGPT. And remember, guys, ChatGPT free tiers allows you for very limited number of image, or often around 3 per day, due to high demand and system limitation. ChatGPT Plus subscribers have significantly higher, through still limited capacity of roughly between 50 image every 3 hours, with a rolling window that allows new slots to become available over time. So 150 images per 3 hours. So let's pull out our calculator. So 50, so in a 24 hours a day, so 24 hours a day, 4 hours divided by 3 equivalent to 8 times 50. So if you have the ChatGPT Plus, you will have about 400 images that you can use. But for us, normally we use for free tier, we only use um, 3 per day, 3 images per day. So if you want to exceed that, I suggest using another account. For example, right here, I've ready up another account right here. As you can see right now, here's my other account that I can use and also generate me an image of a dog. I can also generate me another image. So right now I can roughly make up to 6 images per day. So there you go, guys. You can make any image. You can have much more images that you can generate if you have more accounts, or if you buy the premium account on ChatGPT. To upgrade, just click on ChatGPT right here, top left corner. Once after clicking on the ChatGPT in the top left corner, you want to press upgrade. So wait up, guys. As you can see right now, the animals has been right here. To download the image, just click on download, and then click on like if you like the image, and you can share the image to other people, and you can copy the image and just paste it right back here, and tell the ChatGPT to, can you change the nose to blue? There you go. As you see right now, we've told ChatGPT to change the mouse and the nose into blue. So here we can see the upgrade here. Once we click on the upgrade, here are all the upgrade. Our current plan is zero sphere. It's a free version of ChatGPT. And we get the plus, level up productivity and creativity, expand access. As you can see right here, much more. And we have the pro. So at the pro, it has everything in plus unlimited. So yeah, that's a lot. So when you're using Pro, if you want to add image, I think it's about hundreds of images. It has no what do you call this? If you're using the Pro and you want to create any images, I think every I think um I've read, and it's about 100 image per hour, and potentially 100 image per hour, potentially about exceeding 2000 images per day within the 24 hour. So yeah, that's a lot of images you can get from Pro. But who would really need to use that much image, unless you are a business or something that you're working on a project using a AI tool that creates you images. So yeah, that will be useful. But if you're just an ordinary dude like me, you can use the free version and make more accounts, so you can have more images to make. And if you don't want to make any accounts and you want to have a lot of images make daily, choose this one, the plus. I'll just upgrade your ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys the video, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.